Facebook po na lahat. Facebook po na lahat mga sir. Paulitin ko po, Facebook po na lahat. Ito na po ang championship ng Marina Heights versus Santa Rosa. Mayroon po tayong entrance fee 250 dahil matindi po yung labanan. Do or die, no tomorrow. Throw out all these creatures. We don't need that today. This upcoming game will speak for itself. Ladies and gentlemen, we are minutes away on what has been the most anticipated game of the season. Two teams that were arguably early favorites to win the title and truthfully held their own until this very last game. We can make compelling argument that these two teams are both destined to win it all. But as they say, there can only be one. I am so pumped up for these two teams. I mean, why not? This is the championship game. So to all people who are watching in the venue, and to our followers watching through FB Live, sit back and relax because we are in for a treat. So without further ado, let's meet the players for both teams. First up, Team Marikina Heights. Number 11, Haron El Capitan Sapiper. Number 24, Eric the Power Parel. Number 17, Noel the defensive Karan Jr. Number 36, Kent the sidestep Brizola. Number 8, John Tiamson the Flash. Wearing jersey number 12, Michael the Basic Mapala. Wearing jersey number 19, Ferdinand the Golden Bear Robbie. Wearing number 0, Joey the Patient Salvacion. And our starting five, Christopher the Slasher Samson. He's wearing number 13. Wearing number 0, Lawrence the Venom Kaliwag. Wearing jersey number 9, Daryl the Thunder Joan Alba. Wearing jersey number 14, Lovera the Trigger Jonas. Wearing number 6, Sen the Killer Rivera. Next up, the Dragons PSP Santa Rosa. Wearing number 2, Matt the Sleepy Passenger Mangalis. Wearing jersey number 24, Carlo Robos Energy Abed. Wearing jersey number 27, Alvin the Barber Manaog. Wearing jersey number 27, Boss Mafia Sarmiento. Wearing jersey number 30, Alvin Drunken Shooter Centeno. Wearing jersey number 22, Richmond Mr. Number 22, Richmond Mr. Brad Bar de la Cruz. Wearing jersey number 18, Angelo the Black Mamba Terry. And our first five, wearing jersey number 12, one of our mythical five, Anthony Mr. Empolite Santos. Wearing jersey number 11, Janrick Oches Impact Tungkab. Wearing jersey number 27, Alvin the Banger Manaog. That's number 27, Raymond the Hungry Man McNabe.
Saan yung live? Sa PSP mo. Ano?
Number 19,
PSP ng PSP.
Rian Mentality Pagpangalan. Last but not the least, wearing jersey number 0, Jokey, the boy director, Robes. Ladies and gentlemen, may we request you all stand up for our national anthem.
Para sa lahat po na nandito, patayo na lang po lahat. National anthem po tayo. Compress sa gitna po. Pwede namin magbigyan isang beses, pero sa pangalawa, labas ka muna. Report ka muna sa committee, penalty ka muna bago mo ulit makapasok. Tsaka halimbawa, meron tayong minute na gano'n kaya, nilalabas ko muna natin. 5 minutes ang ibibigay namin tayo sa labas. Wala naman tayo alam kung dahil oras na, basta uminit ka sa loob, labas ka natin, wala naman tayo alam doon. Kaya iisita natin ito dahil maninit ang laban na ito. Iniwasan lang natin yung ganong sistema. Para siyempre may isip mo, may penalty ito. Bakit ako gagawa ng ganito, di ba? Ngayon, kung may mga tanong kayo, o ano, mas maganda mayroong representative sa committee, tutukan yung oras. Tapos meron tayong score dyan. Nakikita yung score dyan, pero yung oras yung kumakaroon. O, score lang yan. Para wala tayong mga bagay yan. Mas maganda meron tayong representative sa committee. Para wala tayong meron tayong pinapaligay. Kami nito parehas na. Kaya lahat ng technicalities, ibibigay namin sa inyo. Lahat ng mga mabibigat na technicalities, bibitawan namin. Penalty kagad na pasok na hair. May mga tanong pa po kayo. Hindi sir, pwede ka naman magreklamo during, hindi. Kasi kapag ka nagiging continuous training ka, pag ano lang ginawa mo sa loob ng ball, pag ang referee, lalabas ka na namin agad. Kaya natin ka na labas ka na agad kasi kapag ang referee hindi pumipito, tuloy ka lang. Kasi
na yung bola.
Nothing water, ah.
Marikina Heights, Santa Rosa, baka gusto nyo magbigay ng representative para wala na po tayong tanong ng tanong. Salamat. First and second quarter po, first half, running time po tayo, third quarter, tsaka fourth quarter po, start time tayo. Good luck mga sir.
Ayan. Na ang ating championship game between Santa Rosa and Marikina Heights. First five from Santa Rosa, Magnabe, Magtanganan, Tungkal, Robles, at Tad Santos. From Marikina Heights, Kaliwag, Samson. Okay, Titi. First possession goes to Marikina Heights. Number 9, Alba. To Samson. Samson going right. Pull up jumper. No good. Tungkal secures the ball. Here's Pagdagan at the point. To Santos, looking for his teammates, finds Robles going right. Oh, what a pass to Santos for 3, specialty of the house for number 9, finds Sapiter, pull up jumper, no good. Who gets the ball? Goes to Santa Rosa. Okay. Robles at the point. Pass to Magnabe. To Tungkal at the post. Finds Magnabe. To Pagdanganan at the corner 3. Short. To Sapiter. Pass the ball to number 6. There's a whistle. Foul on number 19. 2 shots on the way. First roll for number 6 is good. Rivera. Last throw, ready jumper. 2 for 2 for Rivera. 2-0. Here's Robles, the point director. To Santos at the corner three. Oh, there's a whistle. 3 shots on the way. Foul number 0. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw is not good. Last throw. Yes sir, 5-ball game. Let's go. Alba at the point. Setting up the play. Find Samson. Specialty yan. Offensive rebound. Sapiter. Top of the key jumper. Yes sir. That 3 is brought to you by PSP. Barbershop ang pambansang barbero. Santa Rosa. To pagdanganan, to Robles. Robles on the move. There's a whistle. Foul number 2 shots on the way. Foul number 0. 0. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First throw. Robles is served. Last throw, 2 for 2 for Mr. Robles, the point director. Here's Alba again at the point, looking for his teammates. Finds Sapiter, number 6 for 3. Too strong. Here's Robles. To Tulcab. There's a foul. Foul number 9. First personal foul, third team foul. Ayun na, dumadating na ang ibang teammates ng Marikina Heights. Tungkab, 2 shots on the way. First throw short. 8 minutes and 4 seconds left in our opening quarter. Tight ball game again, another deadlock. Here's Alba directing his teammates. Alba looking for his teammates, finds number 0, back to Alba. Alba going right, oh, there's a whistle. Double dribble. Here's Robles at the point. Magdano, our play! Give and go, behind the back pass to Santos. Santos to Magnabe. Magnabe, good defense by Marikina Heights. Santos found the key. Yes, sir. That's the friendly roll. Alba, number 9 to number 6. Oh, turnover. Madulas. Robles.
Yung bench court natin bench court team pasulo na.
Using the screen, Robles going left. Robles at the move back by number 11. Ooh, what a stop. Here's Alba. Alba, oh, pass to Samson. Samson favorite shot. At the perimeter, Mr. Perimeter Samson. Robles, back to Magnabe. Uy, what a safe play. Took up, offensive rebound. Hook shot, it is the good. Power rebound by Samson. Samson secures the ball. Here's Alba. 1-point lead for Santa Rosa. Alba, crossover move. Alba going right to number 0. In and out. Oh, balo. Gets the ball to number. Oh, Samson, favorite shot. The piso-piso. Robles. To Santos for 3. Bye! That triple shot brought to you by Hengbe Face Shield. Hengbe na mabenta. Here's Alba. Pass the ball to number 30, Samson again, short. Here's Tungkab. Tungkab gets the ball. Robles on the move. Tupagtanganan, tumagdamit. 13 to Chavez. Time out. Marikina Heights.
Substitution rep.
Official scores 13-9 in favor of Santa Rosa. Shoutout po mula sa PSP San Pedro. Sa mga taga-South dyan, isip lang kayo, PSP San Pedro. Big discount on the way. Alba to number 0 to Samson at the corner, back to number 0. Side-stepping move, using the board, no good. Defensive rebound, Tungkab. Pagtanganan, pass to Robles. To Santos again for 3. Robles specialty of the house. Alba using the screen to Samson for 3. Siya naman. In and out. Rebound by Santos. Santos on the move. Santos to Robles. Back to Santos. Back to back. That three is brought to you by LBC. Hari ng Padelay. Here's Alba. Back to number 0. 10.3 for Santa Rosa. Anong gagawin ng Marikina Heights? Rivera sumubok. Uy, Servan. Oh, back to Marikina Heights.
8 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds shot clock.
Substitution. Baseline inbound. Lovera, unang tira. Short. Shot Peter. Offensive rebound. Yes, sir. Back to 8.3. Both team bench, pupulang po tayo. Coach lang po ang nakatayo. Here's Robles using the screen. Robles, no look pass to Tungkab, reverse layup is good. 10-point lead. Oh, wow, turnover, good defense. Number 13, Seth Peno.
Both team warning ha. Both team. Pumapasok na kayo sa loob. Both team warning ha. Warning. Red. Both team warning.
Thumbs up. Change player, Camson in. Rivera out. 10-point lead for Santa Rosa. Magnabe. Oh, what a play! Centeno, right corner, 3 down! Same play, same results. Rivera behind the back dribble. There's a foul whistle. Foul number 33. Substitution. 13-point lead for Santa Rosa. Parel in. Number 0 out. Grabe yung outside shooting ng Santa Rosa. Lovera for 3. Short. Samson. Reverse layup. Follow up. No good. Pagbalan. Here's Santa Rosa. Robles looking for his teammates. Sain Santos to Centeno. Ang 3. Back-to-back 3. Grabe. Lovera on the move. Lovera. Ano? There's a foul. Foul number 27. 2 shots on the way. Shot. Hindi po 2 point. Santa Rosa. Here's Robles. To Magdame. Pull-up jumper. No good. That's the ball to number 8. Here's Sapiter. Sapiter waiting for his teammates. Samson. Nawala. 30 seconds. Substitution rep. 3 minutes and 5 seconds left. Baseline inbound. Lovera again for 3. Wala pa rin. Oh, the Mr. Robos energy on the game. First rebound. Number 24. Tungkab on the move. Shot is short. Sapiter. Sapiter on the move. Wala. Oh, what a stop by Mr. Robos energy. Tungkab on the move. Oh, 29-11. Lovera behind the back, crossover. Here's Tungkab, back to Tarin. Stop, back to Centeno for 3. Bang! Wala na po kayong timeout sa first half. Marikina Heights. Official score 32-11. Buti na lang nagsala ko ng payon. Sabi na ko.
Marikina, wala na kayong timeout ng pesa pa. Hanggang second quarter, wala na po kayong timeout. Santa Rosa, dalawa pa. Wala na po tayong timeout. First half, wala na po.
Paano gagawin ng Marikina Heights? Ito na si Lovera. Lovera going left. Lovera. She drop cover. No good. Foul rebound. Right. Oh, gets the ball again to Lovera. Lovera for 2. No good. Gets the ball to Centeno. To Manaog. Mr. Big Guy Manaog is the That's 2 minutes for our first quarter. Tarin on the move. Tarin behind the back. Pass. Uy, Manggahis. Sorry, short. Steal by Centeno. Centeno, stop, pop. Bang! That 3 is brought to you by Copico. Hindi sa'yo, Copico. Number 8, to Lovera again. Lovera, long 2 jumper. Sobra. Here's Tarin. Tarin. Directing his teammates. To Manggahis. Nagulo pa ako rin. Mr. Robos gets the 2. May offensive rebound pa. Grabe. Tayo pa akong Robos yan. Samson for 2. Too strong. Mr. Robos energy. Substitution. De La Cruz in. Centeno out. 37-11. Manggahis at the point. That's the ball to Manaog. Manaog. Power move. That's the ball to Mr. Roberts. Mr. Roberts. Oh, there's a foul whistle. Foul number. Steal. Mr. Big Guy. Warning for penalties, Santa Rosa. Mahaba pa to. Second quarter lang. First quarter lang pala, sorry. Mahaba pa to. Kiamson. Oh! Good ball. Lovera, the point. Time's up, there's a whistle. Penalty. Number 22, first personal foul, penalty. 2 shots on the way. First throw is no good, last throw. Abad, gets the ball to Tarin. Tarin, directing his teammates. To De La Cruz on the move, De La Cruz. First turnover, Mr. De La Cruz, double dribble. 18 seconds left for our opening quarter. Number 8, going right. Number 8, on the move. For shot, it's Tarin, to Manggahis. Gets the ball to De La Cruz, back to Manggahis. Bang! End of our first quarter, the score is 39-13 in favor of Santa Rosa. Tarin, fake, jumper shot. Tarin again. Tarin to Manggahis, going right. Manggahis. Defensive rebound. Yes, sir. Tiamson for 3. Foul number 22. Baseline inbound, number 7, 14. Strong. Wala pa rin nako-convert ng 2 points ang Manimina. Grabe. De La Cruz. To Tarin. To Manaog. Manaog jumper. Short. That's the ball to number 26, Rosola. Uy, match na match yan. Samson. Robles at the point. Gets the ball to Magnabe. To Tarin. Back to Magnabe. Magnabe to Manao. Wala. Samson. Defensive rebound. Here's Samson. Rivera. Samson. Favorite shot is good. Ito na ba ang simula ng comeback? Marikina Heights. To Magnabe. Magnabe. To Manao. Oh! Sorry miss. Oh! Foul number 17. Sander. Number 17 out. First shot for Manao. Good. 44-15. Here's Rivera, back to Rosola. Double C. Rosola. Samson. No good. Offensive rebound. Oh! And one. Pwede kang sumakay. Basta huwag ka lang malikot. Sabi ni number 23. Number 12. Bonus shot. in favor of Santa Rosa. Here's Santos. Cross-court pass. Oh, steal by Marikina Heights. Gets the ball to St. Peter. Here's Rosola at the point. Oh, pagulas. Rivera. Ooh, what a steal! Here's the point director all the way. AC Rabenin. Another full court press. Given by foul number 18. Tarin. Pasok po lahat. Rosola going right to St. Peter. St. Peter makes shot is good. 46-19. Robles to Santos for three. Yes sir! That three is brought to you by the category Bar and Resto. Here's Rivera. Rivera! Oh! Steven Magnabe. Gets the ball Centeno to Magnabe to drop ball. What a assist from Robles. Malayo na naman. 51-19. Here's Bañez. Rosola, taong Takino. Centeno. Back to Centeno for three. Sumablay. Uy! Uy! Here's Samson. Samson lays it on in. 51-21 Santos. Wala. Pwede kang sumabit. Huwag ka lang malikot. Mr. Extra Rice. Big boy. Manaog. Bonus shot. It's a 3-point play. 54-21. Here's Lovera. Lovera on the move. Lovera gets by the defense. And yes, sir. Lays it up. Robles. Waiting for his teammates. Steal by Sapiter. Sapiter gets the ball to Samson. Samson 3 versus 1 to Tiamson. Oh, there's a whistle on the way. Foul number 27. 2 shots for Tiamson. Santa Rosa warning for penalty. Tungkap in. Magnabi out. Centeno, all along 3. Short. Yung Sapiter, steal by Santos. Santos takes. Jump. No good. Here's Tungkap. Offensive rebound. Sumasablay yung Santa Rosa. Kaya nang nakukuha yung offensive rebound. Sayang. .8 for Santa Rosa. Sumpasa. Centeno. Matik. Ayun na, favorite. Yes, sir. 54-26. Using the screen, Robles. Turn around. Wala. Oh, what a stop. Ito na ba? Ang hinihintay ng Santa Rosa. Ng Marion Sayang. Lovera again. Yes, sir. Buti na lang. Sumama si Lovera kay Tiamson. Time out, Santa Rosa. This game is brought to you by Artislan Medical Diagnostic Clinic, Pops Pares, Decano Korean, Phoenix Korean Japanese, and PBS Group of Companies, PBS Balls, PBS Motors. Ligan. Pagtangan at the point to Centeno for 3. No good. Goes to Cab. Takes. Reverse layup. And 1. Hindi nila masolusyonan yung offensive rebound. Bonus shot for Tungkab. .28 point lead. Lovera on the move. To Sapiter. To Samson. Favorite shot. Too strong. Lovera offensive rebound. Foul. Penalty. Tiamson. Yes, sir. 6-31. Pagtanganan. Oy! Naiwanan na naman. Centeno. Short. Samson. Ayun na. 2 versus 1. Lovera on the move. Sorry. Sayang. Santos for 3. Oh, sumasabay na Santa Rosa.
Nice.
Kaya alam talaga talagang offensive rebound. Ang dami na masyado. Samson! Yes sir! One of our mythical five. MVP candidate pala. Finals MVP candidate. Santos for 3. In and out. He's happy there. Sayang. Ang dami sayang. Pag na-shoot mo.
Nice!
3 for 3 for Centeno. To 133. Banyes to Sampiter. Samson. Favorite shot is so good. Chris Alba pinakabang the move to Centeno for 3. Santos. Offensive rebound again. Specialty of the house. Yun, naka-rebound na rin. Nabalik na yung heights. Alba on the way. Sayang. Oy, Samson lumipad. Grabe, Samson. Ginagawa na lahat ni Samson. Manaog, sizing up. So pagtanganan, back to Manaog. Manaog first teammates. Pagtanganan, take pass. On the move, to Tungkab. All along. Yes, sir. Alba to Sampiter to Alba. Samson for 2. Yes sir. Samson lang malakas. Pagtanganan to Centeno for 3. Bang! The 3 is brought to you by Chow Pao Master. Banyes, Samson again. In and out. Centeno for 3. Another foul. On the 3-point line. Grabe, dami na nun. Third personal foul, number 0. Penalty. Binabati ko lahat ng nanonood sa FB Live ng PSPG Fitness Philippines. Maligayang panonood. Happy Saturday. PSP Fitness Gym Philippines, 38 branches nationwide. Okay, back to the ball game. Sabi ni Long Brewers, Hardigo, Coach Daryl Jan Alba. Oy, ang daming fans ni Jan Daryl Alba. Sabi ni Sipo, from Parang Junior. Go Coach Daryl Jan Alba. Point lead. Here's Alba. Big man for 3. offensive rebound. Quick come. So Centeno for three again. Yes, sir! End of our first half. Grabe. Half time. Minutes break. Meron lang pong pupuntahan si Sir Mamay. Half-time show muna tayo.
Natayo na ako.
Bakit dito?
Buko kami?
Yeah, okay na. Sir, first half, grabe yung yung outside shooting ng Santa Rosa. Ikaw parang siguro 90% shooting percentage, Mr. Santos. Tanong ko lang, ano yung preparation nyo going on into this game para dun sa play na ginagawa nyo?
Yun nga, so mga ilang weeks, naganap kami ng mga junior games. Nilabanan namin yung mga ibang team din sa Santa Rosa para condition din kahit pa paano makuha namin yung gusto namin gawin ngayong finals.
Thank you, sir. Sir Tungkab, ang daming offensive rebound. Paano mapapanatili nung Santa Rosa yung ganon hanggang end of the game?
Ayun, nag-usap kami. Box out lang, lahat nasa ilalim ng bigs. So, usama namin, ako tatalon eh. So, dinadaan na lang namin sa sikot.
Thank you, sir. Sir, baka may gusto kayong batiin na pasalamatan during halftime. Pamuna, sir.
Ayun, binabati ko yung Santos family, yung Ganay family, tsaka PSB Santa Rosa, kay Boss Pibus, kay Boss Ronnie, kay Torny. Sa lahat ng boss ko, Boss B, yan, Tropanchera, salamat po. Shoutout po sa PSB, sa family ko, Tumog family, sa girlfriend ko.
Thank you, sir. Good luck second half. Yan, Sir Joey, Marikina Heights. Mahaba pa yung laban. First half, down kayo ng almost 30 points. Ano yung strategy going into second half?
Siguro mas bigay namin yung depensa namin. Tapos siguro tatauhin na namin para at least makuha namin yung momentum. Tapos yung depensa sa ibabaw medyo maluwag eh. So harapan na namin kagad bago pa makabitaw ng tres. Yun lang. Depensa lang.
Tama, sir. Sir Samson, ganda nung pinapakita mo, halos binubuhat mo yung buong team. Tanong ko lang kanino mo dinededicate yung laro mo kasi sobra all yours.
Kasama ko yung
Yung girlfriend mo, nice inspiration. Thank you, sir. Ano pa, sir? Baka may preparation ka or ano?
Kailangan tayo namin tigilin yung mga shooters na. Dami lang shooters.
Thank you, sir. Sir, baka may gusto kayong batiin o pasalamatan? Ikaw muna, sir. Sige, sir.
Siyempre, binabati ko yung club namin, ang Marikina Heights. Siyempre, yung pamilya ko, asawa ko. Siyempre, sa bumubuo ng PSB Basketball League. Lalo kay Boss Pibus, salamat po sa bibigay ng ganitong sa mga members namin. Thank you.
Binabati yung pamilya ko, tapos si Yana.
Thank you, sir. Sir, good luck sa second half.
Thank you, sir.
Bawal makontento, bawal mainit. Ang bawat proseso'y tagumpay ang katigit. Para sa pamilya gagawin ng aking best. Hanggang yung bucket list, magmukhang test paper sa daming check. Niligawan ng success kahit na mailam. Hanggang sa matatapi at minsan na dahil na di na piniyak, bagkos ilaw ang kabiyak. At hindi nawala yung init kahit may nangyari na. Walang limitasyon, payayag ng lahat ng butong ibig na on. Kung ano man ang meron, mas gusto ko higit pa dun. Pinarating lang pero di pa to yung destinasyon. Yeah.
Yung Bisaya mula sa Cristo ang nasasampalan ng plato mismo. Madali na makarating, palagit na ito ng pisto. Walang mga rel, mga Aristotel, naman ang pagkatulis ko. Ano kung sisilahin sa leha ko sa hinahin, hindi lang basta
famous than what Scarface did. Ngayon kayo'y may shock pa rin, parang electric grid. See, lahat ng to ginapang-sasahid. One way ticket ako binili, di na ako babalik. Dati hinahagilan ko ang pera, ngayon pera naghahanap sa'kin. Kayo ako magpakita, tanda puno ng tiyak ko ang FT ng sagit. Ngayon bayad sa'kin ang latest iPhone na may 512 gig. Matira matibay sa laro, nag-instant player na rin ang tinatawag nilang pako. Now I can say lahat ng sakripisyo'y sulit. Celebrate victories with a big gang. Mama, we made it.
Dati mo ginil-gilan, dami nang nakikinig. Kung ang oras ay bilang, susulitin ko na rin. Sabi nga nila, ngayon hiram habang napatok papalaguin pa ang interes. Madalas na rin hinahanap kahit di na umilingan. Libre lang na nangarap at ang puhunan ay dahilan. Ngayon musika manuger, laki ng tubo sa alihan. Kapag nagsimula na lumetra, paniguradong may kapital. Para sa dapat buhayin bago rumatay o humimlay. Takapasama pag lumagaling, pakiyapakan kung mag-ingay. Unang lahat ng nagmalasakit, pakasabay ko na dumigay. Mapagalati, manong-diskarte, ako'y palaging todo bigay.
Oo, nadapa, tumumba kanina, pero di tumigil at hindi nang hina. Laging bumabangon sa pagkakahinga, marami mapasanin siya ka ng hila. Walang bilib no, ngayon nagtatanong, di ko paano yung gano'n. Gusto rin magkaroon. Kala mo ba, ganun lang yun, nakabalik para lang maparoon. Daming gabi na namuyag, sa nakasulat para tumigil ng hamon. Pangarap ang aking pagulo ninyo, laging gutong palibag kampiyon. Kikilo po pagkin, gago sa klase na parang kailangan ng dalo pabukos, hindi nagkaroon. Balang araw ay mapapanood, lahat sila ay mapapalimon, at di na matatanong.
Back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game.
I love ya. Shoutout kay Roy Gonzales.
Magdabe, power move, block by number. Here's Plovera. All alone, laser on the knee. Ayan na. 70-39. Man-to-man na. Full court, man-to-man. Eto na, Robles. All alone. Luis Ablay. Magdabe. Power rebound. Bang. Yes, sir! Duro lang yung pantay. Wala mag-score dito. Foul on number 27. 2 shots for Samson. Another third personal foul. First team foul. Magkahis for 3. Manggahis, yes sir. Another stop, Centeno for 3. Another offensive rebound. Santos directing his teammates to Magnabe, to Robles. Uy, what about beautiful basketball for Santa Rosa. They have some 10 seconds to shoot. Samson short. Here's Manggahis. Manggahis on the move. Block. The number 8 Samson on the move. Foul given up by number 12 Constitution. (79-41). Oh, offensive rebound. 2 points. Robles to Centeno. Pitch. Bye-bye. 3. The 3 is brought to you by Chowpan Master. Masarap kahit walang foul rebound. Foul number 0. Your shot is good. 82-47. Samson for the rebound. Sayang. Nawala! For three! 87-50. 5 minutes and 20 seconds left. Clovera again for 3. Oh, nakawala rin naman. Time out. 89-50. 4 minutes and 47 seconds left. Back to the ball game. Samson. Chamson. Robles. Yes, sir. The point director, Samson, foul. Third personal foul, penalty. Magahis, tumagnabe. Centeno, back to Robles. So, 2 points. Teran Junior Madrid. 15 seconds to shoot. Dame, 2 points. Assisted by Robles. Sapiter makes 5, yes sir, and 1. Foul number 2, basket count. Bonus shot for number 11, Sapiter. Sapiter. 93-60. Nave, good point, assisted by Robles. Samson for 2, no good. Sapiter. Number 23, Diaz, yes sir. Seconds to shoot. Ay, all alone! Chad the mouth back! Naka-ready na ako eh. Sapiter! Hey! Foul number 27. 1 minute and 55 seconds left. The shot is good. One minute and 14 seconds. Magnabe. Inside pass. Robles. Kay Gerard. No good. Tumipad si Samson. Samson. Stop and pop. Yes sir. Time out. One minute and 16 seconds left. Penalty. Last shot. Yes sir. 39 point lead eh, pababa na. Mafia, Chad for 3. Yes, sir! 55 seconds left. Samson again. Back to 30-point lead. Karin. Looking for his teammates. Finds Tongkav. Tongkav fakes. To the boss Mafia. Oh, the roll of energy on the move. Ooh. Foul on the foul number 17. Wala ba po? First team foul. 28 seconds. The big guy. Offensive foul. 24 seconds. Shot clock is off. Samson. Robert. On the way. Oh, sayang. End of third quarter. Final quarter. Sagittarius, 2 points. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Now, all 2 points assisted by Abad. Robles Energy Drink! 2 capsules a day. The Boss Mafia for 3. Samson, lumipad, wala. Substitution. Time out. Back to the ball game. 3 points. Six minutes and 15 seconds. Foul number 6. First team foul. Robot lays it out. Lovera, 2 points. Time out. Santa Rosa. Kahis, Chad, the boss mafia. Pampiter. Rivera, lazy round goal. Ayaw. Baseline inbound. To Samson. It's wrong. Five minutes and 18 seconds left. For three, Rivera. Pwede ba to? 28 points lang. 16 seconds shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot. Another stop. Oh, sayang. Uy, pero ito na. Yes, sir. Point lead. Santos versus Samson. Oy! 4 minutes, 36 seconds. Another stop by Marikina Heights. Ito na naman. Lovera on the way. Lays it up in. Magnabe. Sizing up. Oh, another steal. Rivera for side step moves. Yes, sir. Another steal. Yes, sir. With 188. 4 minutes and 7 seconds left. About 20 points na lang. Back to the ball game. Konti lang to. 20-point lead. Robles. Defended by Alba. Robles using the screen. Oh, parang di ba may Samson? Eto na ulit. Rivera on the move. Yes, sir. 108. Seconds to shoot. Centeno for 3. Tawag ng jumper. Strong. Uy, basic rebound na naman. Sayang. Alba. Samson for 2. Yes, sir. Minutes. Another steal. Ito na. Yes, sir. Rivera for 3. Centeno for 3. Wala. Sakiter, rebound. Good. 113-97. Rivera agad for 3. Last 2 minutes. Centeno for 3. Bishop. Another offensive rebound. Santos. Injury timeout. 18 seconds to shoot. 113-97. $113.97.
1 meter tayo, ha? Rick! Ready?
1 minute and 49 seconds left. Bilang momentum. Robles. Uy, another steal! Another steal! Samson. Good, 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 good. 99-113. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Uy, inside pass. Another turnover for Santa Rosa. 1 minute and 12 seconds left. Lovera. Foul. Number 0. Second team foul. Second team foul. Lovera going left, using the screen. Lovera for 3. Short. Samson. Injury. Back to Samson. Yes, sir. 2 points. 101-113. Centeno. All alone. Rebound by Sakiter. Samson for 2. Another 2 points. Yes, sir. 10 points 25 seconds left. Who will be the first champion of our PSP Interbrand? There's a whistle. Foul number 11. Second team foul. Second personal foul on number 11. Seconds. Foul. Third team foul. Nabe. Third team foul. Number 27. Congratulations!
Marikina Heights.
Doon, Chu. Atras pa, atras. Doon sa dulo, doon. Chu, atras pa, doon sa dulo ng pilo.
Okay na, sir?
Doon mo pa tayuin sila, Chu. Sa dulo. Ay, doon sa may linya.
We go to alam niyo na, ang ating champion, Santa Rosa! And now, the MVP of the champion. Sino? Sir Jockey! Bago mo ba yabot sa nag-MVP? Points, 17 points. Rebounds, 10 rebounds, assists, 3 assists. Steal 1, block 1. 3 points, shoot 5. Alam na naman ang sino? Fair going to Sir